The Door County Library Summer Reading Program 2021 is Tales and Tales, an animal theme. This program is for all ages and runs from June 1st to August 31st. There are 2 ways to participate in the summer reading program this year. You can download our app, Beanstack, to your preferred device and use it to keep track of your activities and your reading. If you do that, you will earn electronic badges and you will be entered into prize drawings. If you would prefer to use the paper version, those are available at the libraries starting June 1st, and when you return those will also enter you into prize drawings. The library website, doorcountylibrary.org, is the best place to go to find out all of the details for the summer reading program and to access all of our content. We will be primarily virtual this summer, and that lets you have access to our programs whenever and wherever makes best sense for you. There are many details that will be on the website, but let me tell you just a few of the things that we will have access to this summer. We will have story times. Boy, will we ever. We will have Miss Beth doing story times, Miss Marianne from Fish Creek. We will have the Lavender Library Lady. We will have the therapy dog Nellie Bly and her person Maggie. We will have craft videos from Miss Barb from Forestville. We will have the Adventures of Paige Turner, which have a variety of different programs that will be happening. We will have chapter a day stories. We will have book discussions. We will have all kinds of special behind the scenes videos from all sorts of animal themed places around the county that you can go to and that you should know more about. So come to the library website and find all kinds of new ways to keep curious this summer.